PEPE 2.0, potentially the next PEPE coin. We've seen this meme coin pump massively over the last few hours, and it continues to soar in price. Over the last 24 hours, up 100% plus against Bitcoin, and we can see the pump is exponential. So they've got a market capital of $3.76 million right now, and we're going to check out this token today, whether it's worth looking at, the price analysis, and can this token still go up higher. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, like, and comment so you don't miss out on big coins like these as well. So PEPE 2.0, we can see right here in under 24 hours they have over 2,700 holders, and apparently you're early. If you miss PEPE, here is your second chance that they are claiming right here. So it's all kind of created based on the nostalgia of the original PEPE coin and the fact that many people missed out on that massive pump itself. So here is what we can see so far from the price analysis. I mean, it's not really been a long time. Of course, we can see the 28th of June, basically not even 24 solid hours of trading just yet, but we can see the price is up currently, if you did buy in at the very start, by 6,000%, which is absolutely crazy. And what I can see for this token is currently it looks like it is forming a bit of an ascending triangle here, and we can see the increased levels of support over and over again. We've got the higher level support, we do have the dropping resistances however, but I am seeing a bit of an ascending triangle pattern here, which is typically a bullish continuation pattern. It's difficult to say what will exactly happen, of course, but we do naturally have a lot of resistance over around the 0.0 to the power of 7.1 price levels. If I was to get my fib extension tool right here and take a kind of a speculation as to where I think this coin could go, it's pretty difficult to say exactly, but from where we currently are, I mean, anything can happen. The 2618 would still provide a 2x from current levels. Naturally, if we do see a sell-off, or if Bitcoin does become bearish or something like that, we could see a loss of this support level traversing back down to lower price levels at the same time. So remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, of course, guys. It's all speculation. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but we can look at some metrics. We've got some data. So 24-hour volume is super high. It's trending, of course, on DEX tools. We can see $10.81 million worth of volume, which is pretty insane. With a small micro cap of, $3.86 million. So at $3.86 million, you're kind of getting to that point where a 10x would take you to 38 million, and it's still realistic, but it's going to take a lot of community hype to get there. 1.2k holders according to the DEX Tools website, which isn't really that many at all. Ideally, you can see communities keep on pushing for 50k, 100k, even 250k plus holders within these type of sort of bull runs that we're getting right now. So as long as they can make their social game strong, we could see some continuation. So this is the coin right here. They've got the contract on the website by PEPE 2.0. It says, Miss PEPE, here is your second chance. Any money, there's going to be a PEPE 3.0, and if there isn't yet, someone is out there probably making one right now. But yeah, so we already know exactly what it's about. We can see the tokenomics here. That's like 420 trillion token, 1% tax, which is still better than the UK government and the banks. But yeah, pretty crazy to see what's happening with this particular coin right now. According to Etherscan, they have 2,747 holders. I still think this is a very high risk reward sort of token here, guys, so do not risk more than you can afford to lose. But it is interesting to see meme coins continue to pump in the markets right now, especially coins like PEPE theme tokens. So lots of these characters out there are still pumping massively. And when we click onto cryptocurrencies and we look at the categories, meme coins is certainly one that is always trending. It's always up there. But we do have other categories, guys, as well, so don't miss out on the sort of the DEX tokens, the sports tokens, the BNB chain ecosystems and things like that, because there's a load of different niche categories that are worth still checking out in the world of crypto right now. So don't forget about those, of course. Looking at a tweet here, the Crypto Lord was one of the first to actually spot the PEPE token, the PEPE 2.0 token, which is kind of crazy. I'm not really sure how he found out about this one so early, but he really did find it so early. Shame I didn't get to hear about it when he mentioned it. But yeah, really keen to see what might happen in terms of the PEPE 2.0 coin. Something else that's interesting, recently Michael Saylor now has over $4.6 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's MicroStrategy. The firm bought over 12,000 individual Bitcoins for $347 million in the last 2 months. It sort of shows you what the smart money is doing right now. It gives you that sort of behavioral pattern of what the smart money is doing. Should retailers be doing the same? It's hard to say. I personally think we are still in a dollar cost average season right now for Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency. But so far, yeah, everything is looking pretty good. Meme coins are moving quite strong. Of course, PEPE 2.0 has a lot of potential still to move to the upside, and I do think, looking at the charts right here, we could take another blast off to space, because look at the amount of support that we are getting here from this candle. We've got lovely bullish looking candle, loads of buying pressure down at these lower levels, so we could see some continuation. Also want to announce that I have just one more crypto legend slot remaining in the Patreon, which you can find down below, where you can access all the premium signals, insights and trading calls in our Jacob Crypto Clan Discord. There's 2 crypto champion ranks left, still got 48 crypto warrior champs ranks left, and we have crypto hunter as well, which is the most budget or lower cost sort of tier for anyone that wants to kind of get a flavor for the technical analysis kind of world and all the trading signals too. So make sure you do check out that down below, guys. The Jacob Crypobury Patreon, already 439 patrons, so we want to keep on growing the number, keep on growing the community. Just give you a little sneak peek, this is how some of the signals do look. Of course, you're going to get early insights into straight to DEX launches, stealth launches, ICOs, pre-sales, much more. So it's not just about the technical analysis and the trading, but that's certainly in there, so please do check that out as well, guys. Wall Street Memes now has hit the $11 million mark. Very bullish stuff indeed. We looked at this a couple days ago and they just broke through $10 million, so certainly raising like a good $400-ish thousand per day, which is absolutely crazy. This token could go immense. Really look forward to seeing how this one is going to launch. Of course, this is another very high risk reward entity. It's going to have a $30 million hard cap, I believe. Then it's going to get launched on multiple centralized exchanges, which hopefully we could see it do a 2, 3, 5x. I'm not entirely sure. If you want to do some research on this token, there is a link down below for you to do your own due diligence. And remember, it's not financial advice, guys, so you got to go out there, do your own research, make your own decisions based on the information sort of provided. But yeah, it looks really good. They've updated the website once again. Really looks nice so far. I really can't wait to see the next sort of urgent news that's going to occur for the token. And they also have another new ambassador, so they're acquiring more faces, more influencers to push the brand out there to the public. So that's about a wrap, guys. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe, like, comment. I hope this video was somewhat insightful. Keep a lookout for the PEPE token. It's going to go absolutely crazy. PEPE 2.0, I think we might see another leg up over here, but of course it's quite difficult to predict the future. So yeah, see you soon. Bye for now.